In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo with Affinity Photo. Before we jump in, a quick note for context. Affinity Photo is primarily a raster editor, similar to Photoshop. That means it's perfect for simple, text-based, or image-based logos, but it won't create true vector graphics. If you need unlimited scalability for print at any size, a vector-focused tool is usually better. That said, you can absolutely craft a clean, professional-looking logo in Photo, and I'll show you how. Start by setting up your document. Go to File, then New, and choose a square canvas, like 2000 by 2000 pixels. A square gives you flexibility for social icons and most branding uses. Switch the background to transparent if you want the logo to sit cleanly over any color or image later on. Keep the color format in RGB for screen use, and choose a resolution that matches your needs. A higher resolution gives you more detail and flexibility when exporting. Next, create your basic shapes. Select one of the shape tools, like the rectangle or ellipse, and draw the core forms of your logo. Holding Shift while you drag can help you keep perfect circles and squares. In the Color panel, adjust the fill color and, if needed, the stroke. Keep your palette simple and purposeful. 2 to 3 colors often look more refined. If you're combining shapes to build a symbol, think about balance and negative space so the mark remains clear at small sizes. Now add your text. Pick the Artistic Text tool, click, and type your brand or logo name. In the Character panel, choose a font that reflects your identity and ensure it's legible. Adjust size, weight, tracking, and line spacing until the text feels balanced with your shapes. Consistency is key. If your symbol uses rounded shapes, a typeface with softer curves may harmonize better. Arrange and style your elements with the Move tool. Scale and position your shapes and text until the composition feels centered and cohesive. Use alignment options to keep everything neat. If you want extra polish, open Layer Effects to add subtle shadows, strokes, or gradients. Keep effects restrained so the logo remains clear and versatile. When you're happy, export the logo. Go to File, Export, choose PNG, and make sure the transparent background option is enabled. Export at a sufficiently large size to preserve quality across uses. Remember, because this is raster-based, it won't scale infinitely without quality loss, so plan your export dimensions accordingly. And that's it. Your logo made in Affinity Photo, ready to use across your projects.